Do you know this historical mosque ever been attacked by a mob? Before continue this video, like, share, and subscribe to know the answer. Zumaya Mosque is the main Muslim shrine in Plovdiv, Bulgaria. The mosque is with dimensions 40 by 30 meters and is situated in the center of today's pedestrian zone, west of the old town. People used to call it Muradye in honor of the ruler. The mosque was built on the site of Saint Petka Tarnowska Plovdiv Cathedral Church soon after the conquest of the city by the Ottoman army on 1363 until 64. During the reign of Sultan Murad II on 1421 until 1451, the old building was demolished and today's mosque, called Ulu Zumaya Mosque, meaning main Friday Mosque, was erected in its place. The Zumaya Mosque is one of the oldest called Ottoman buildings of the Balkans. It is among the largest one with its impressive rectangular building. Its construction shows the influence of Byzantine and Old Bulgarian architecture technique. 2 layers of bricks were built up after each layer of stone. Unlike the latter mosque with one dome, the Zumaya Mosque is amongst the multiple domed ones. The domes are 9 and they are covered with lit sheets. In the northeast corner of the main facade is erected a minaret decorated with diagonal square grid of red brick on a background of white stucco. The amazing wall decorations inside the mosque are filled with rich plant ornamentations, twigs, flowers, and garlands, sandwiched between medallions with quotation from the Quran. The frescoes probably date from the end of 17th and beginning of the 19th century. Analogies of the external and internal architecture of Zumaya Mosque in Plovdiv can be made with one of the oldest Ottoman cult monuments in Bursa, Edirne and Sofia, built between 14th and 15th centuries. The mosque is large with 9 domes and a 33 meters by 27 meters prayer hall. There is a minaret at the northeast corner of the main facade. Interior wall paintings date to the late 18th to the early 19th centuries. The interior of the mosque is decorated with floral ornament wall paintings such as twigs, blossom, and garlands that are intertwined with medallions quoting the Quran, holy book of Muslim all over the world. The wall paintings probably date back to the end of the 18th century and the beginning of the 19th century. Parallels can be drawn between the exterior and the interior of Zumaya Mosque and some of the oldest Ottoman religious monuments in Bursa, Edirne, and Sofia, built in the 14th and 15th centuries. Zumaya Mosque was planned as a large 3-nave building. Initially, there was access to the prayer room through 2 entrances. While believers entered the mosque through the eastern one, the northern one now serving as the main, led from the market in front of the mosque to the inside of the building through the portal. Today, the entrance on the east side is walled up. During the renovation works on 1785 and 1818, an additional west door was made, which is no longer used. The minaret is in the northeast corner. Today, Zumaya Mosque is an active Muslim mosque and is visited not only on religious holidays, but also during the week by the Muslim religious community in Plovdiv. The mosque was attacked by a mob described as hundreds of nationalists, fascists, and football hooligans in February 2014. 120 were detained after the attack and 4 received minor sentences. The Grand Mufti of Bulgaria, Mustafa Haji, characterized the attack as a pogrom. Comment below for your wishes mosque in the world. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, know the latest videos.